So Sophie over the first 2 and 3 obstacles, down into the tunnel. Nicely into those weave poles, into the tunnel. They're picking her up on the right hand side. Flying over it there, but still got the contact, so that's absolutely fine. Just getting the dog walk there. Unfortunately, picking up 5 points on the down plank, so they're now equal with the leading team at the moment. So taking the baton from Lynn and Lexi, the Border Collie. So this team wants to incur no more faults to go into equal first. So straight into those weave poles. Just picking her up on the left hand side, blocking that far end of the tunnel again. Over the dog walk. Picking her up on the right hand side. Excellent. Clear round and taking the baton. This is from Phil and Dylan, and this is a Staffy Cross Labrador. So 1 clear and 1 5 full so far. So we need everyone left in the team to go clear and to go quickly. Over the A-frame. From that tunnel. Up onto the dog walk. Just getting that with his back feet, which is absolutely fine. Over the final jump and takes the baton. This is Mike Bacon and this is Jet Tavera. So into the tunnel. So Mike needs to go clear. Straight into those weave poles. Very nicely done. Into the tunnel. So if he goes clear, it's going to not be on time against the current leading team. So here we go. Over the dog walk. Gets down. We need a quick finish from Mike. Come on, Mike.